Hi guys, we're doing another unboxing in pajamas. I got my Fabfitfun box for spring a few days ago and I've been super busy, so I haven't been able to open it, or I haven't wanted to because I want to do it on camera. I like the package. I mean, I have all my address stuff on it, but it's like, you know, whatever. I don't remember what's in it. I do think I ordered one thing in like their flash sales that they do. I think it was like Floss, I don't even remember, but I thought I'd open it. I thought this was my last one. I thought last time was my last one actually, but next one I think is my last one. But let's open it. I haven't been very impressed. I do have the annual membership, which means I got to pick all my products, and we'll see if I think it's worth the price. Normally I don't, so we'll see what happens. I don't remember, like I said, what's in here. I can't remember. Well, let's just open it. Some stickers. Like, why would I want Fabfitfun stickers? I guess if you have like a kid. Okay, so here is a 15 off your first Fabfitfun box if you want it. I can put the number here if you guys want. I mean, I don't know if you can see that. It's gonna be backwards. It's gonna be backwards. It says S3-WRKIX. I don't know how many people can use that, but okay. We have magazine. First up, we have the Cocoa Floss. I've been wanting to try this. I know it's supposed to be really good. It's cruelty-free and vegan. I just got the mint one. It's cute. You could just buy refills. Okay, cool. That was like $5, I think, which is kind of a lot if you ask me for a floss. Oh, I remember the choices. Okay, so what bothers me about Fabfitfun sometimes is like there'll be like 5 or 6 choices, and like for one of the choices I'll like 3 things, and then, you know, other ones I won't like anything, and that was one of this. So these are Privé Revaux eyewear. I don't know if I'm even gonna like these. We'll see. Maybe I'll give them as a gift to someone. Let's see. Not my style so much. Let's see how they look on, I guess. They're humongous. They're humongous, guys. This is like not... Yeah, those are gonna be a no. If I knew someone who had like a really big head, I guess I could gift them to them. The thing I was most excited about actually is this. It's a wooden Lazy Susan. So I'm super excited about that. It doesn't look humongous. It doesn't look like very big, but I'm really excited about it. So that'll go in my collection of house things. I don't remember picking this at all. It's the Perricone MD High Potency Classics Face Finishing and Firming Moisturizer. I feel like I recently bought like a lot of small moisturizers to see which one I liked. Don't remember picking this, but okay. But I'm sure it's nice. That's like a good brand, so okay. This I got for my mom. There were some other options that were good in this section. The Josie Marin Whipped Argan Oil Body Butter. My mom absolutely loves this, so that's why I picked it, so that she could use it. I can't smell it, but she'll be happy to have that because this can be kind of expensive, so that was a good thing. I was glad to get that for her. Next, I got this, which I don't know if I'm going to use. So it's the Hourglass Ambient Strobe Lighting Blush. And honestly, there was nothing else I was super excited about. It's pretty, but it's kind of like more, I mean, that's really pretty. It's just like kind of more corally than my taste. So I don't really know. I might give that as a gift to someone too. What is this? This is Hyper Nova Eye Serum. I don't remember picking this, but okay. I definitely didn't pick this, did I? Maybe I went back and picked it. I can't remember because I saw someone do their Fabfitfun unboxing and they had it and they're like, this is amazing. It's an eye serum that's really stuck with darkness, which clearly I have. So I'm super excited about this. Actually, I really didn't think I got this. I always have to double check like what I picked and what I got, because like maybe I just picked it so long ago I don't remember, but that was exciting. Is that it? I think that's it. For me, I guess it was kind of worth it. I don't think I would have spent like, what, $45 on all this stuff. I definitely like the Lazy Susan and that lotion for my mom. I'm excited about the eye cream, and the moisturizer actually kind of excites me too. I'm excited to try this floss. 33 yards, what? Okay, but yeah, so I'm not as upset as I was last month for sure. There's still a few things I'll probably not use, like definitely the sunglasses and definitely the Hourglass I'll have to give as a gift to someone. But other than that, that was my spring unboxing. I would honestly recommend, like, unless you like getting surprises and are not picky like me, I'm so picky, so like I would recommend doing the annual membership. You do end up saving money too. But like I said last month, like I'm probably not going to renew once my year is done. At this point anyway, until, you know, the last one I get is probably gonna be amazing. I don't know, but yeah, that's it for now, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.